Okay, guys. So I'll show you one picture. Okay, you'll get 30 seconds to observe that picture and observe the picture very carefully. Right? Last time की तरह नहीं चिड़िया को देख के उसे हेलीकॉप्टर बना रहे हो. That was a blunder.
Yes, sir.
Right? So
Yes,
make sure you see picture clearly. उसको ठीक से observe करो कोने को डिटेल को. ठीक है? पूरा 30 seconds ऑब्जर्व करने में
Yes.
लगाओ. Right? फिर then you'll get 1 minute
Yes.
to write down all the details in that. Like कितने लोग थे, क्या gender है, क्या mood है, क्या what do you say, age है. Right? Then later on, you'll get 3 minutes to write down your story. Or total, I would say that you'll get 4 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, so get
Okay,
ready
sir.
with pen and paper.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to present a picture.
Sir, I have a question.
Who's that?
Sir, chest number 4.
बोलो बोलो जल्दी बोलो.
If we discuss our stories in the group, if someone had a question, मतलब कि कोई अगर पूछ रहा है और मतलब कि बोलने का चांस नहीं मिला तो then what to do, sir?
बोलने का चांस अभी पता चल जाएगा क्या करना क्या नहीं करना. डिस्कशन ज्यादा बच्चे हैं ना, आज पता चलेगा.
Okay,
And
sir.
then we'll discuss at the end about all this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
सब रहा माइक ऑफ कर लो. अबे रुक जा मीटिंग में 1 मिनट. चालीस सेकंड करवा दो. Everyone, please put your pen down first. Stop writing. And I am giving you 2 minutes, right, to go through your story once. Chest number 4, I'll remove you from the group if you start continuously writing. Literally, I'll do that. पेन को पीछे फेंक दो या साइड में रख दो. अपने आप से कभी झूठ नहीं बोलना लाइफ में, ठीक है? चेस्ट नंबर 1, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? चेस्ट नंबर 1, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? Let me give a countdown, na? Okay, guys, now you can start. 2 minutes to go through your story, please. Okay, gentlemen, please stop it now. Now, जो भी story है, can you hear me? I'm audible. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
great,
sir.
great.
Sir.
Good. Okay, guys. So, आपको मैं 1 मिनट दूंगा, ठीक है? सब लोग try to finish your story in 1 minute. Okay, राधेश्याम, समझ में आ गया आपको? Okay. आप इंग्लिश में ही यूज करना है, अगर कहीं अटक जाते तो आप हिंदी बोल सकते हो बीच में, ठीक है? Try to narrate your story in English only. Don't use any other language. रीजनल तो शुरू ही मत कर देना. और चेस्ट नंबर 14 मास्क क्यों पहना हुआ है यार?
सर्दी था सर थोड़ा सा.
मास्क पहनोगे सर्दी से क्या? या फोटो नहीं आना देना चाहते हो यूट्यूब में?
नहीं, फोटो का क्या है सर?
पिछली बार भी मास्क पहना था तुमने?
जी यस सर, कल भी पहना था.
ऐसे कैसे खेलेगा भाई जसवाल? ओके, चेस्ट नंबर 1, प्लीज स्टार्ट. टेक 1 minute, okay? Please narrate your story. Then chest number 2 and follow up with that, okay? And once the chest number last will finish your story, we'll start discussion. Okay? Please start.
Okay, sir.
Turn on the camera. Turn on the mic, please.
Mike.
Mute. Mic, chest number 1.
एक सेकेंड, जो आपके पास पेपर है ना, वो उसे फाड़ के फेंक दो, साइड में रख दो. वहां से देख के नहीं बोलना, मैं बता रहा हूँ. अगर मैंने किसी को पकड़ लिया तो मैं लिटरली रिमूव कर दूंगा और कभी उसको एयर नहीं दूंगा मीटिंग में. मेरे साथ झूठ बोलना मतलब ऑलवेज ब्लॉक, हर जगह. ओके, चलो चेस्ट नंबर 1 प्लीज स्टार्ट.
Sir, okay, I start my story, sir, about? Yes, sir. Sir, in this my story, three and more character in present, and action of my story is a man who learn about the art and culture of any societies and any communities. In the main hero is in this my story is Akbar, and one male and 2 female members are present in the mostly, and all are mood project. one day Akbar was going to near a Kumbhalgarh fort. He saw the here culture about their dressing code and their ladies, women's and other things that they are present. Then he went near the inside the fort and he learned about their culture. And after some time, he returned again and he this culture and he explained her colleagues that culture is bound by their clothes and
Next,
their art and culture.
next. 1 second, chest number 2, hold on. Who's chest number 8?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's me.
Okay, सर्वेश ने कैमरा बंद किया था ना इसलिए, that's why I asked you. Okay, carry on, chest
नहीं
number
सर
2,
मैं
please.
रूम चेंज सॉरी
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक
Okay,
है.
sir.
Okay, please carry on. Chest
Just
number
from the
2.
picture, I perceive that there are 3 characters, one male and 2 female in neutral mood, and one female is in positive mood, and the other female is in neutral. The female whose name is Christine is 22 years old, and other female is around 40 years old, and the male character is of 45 to 50 years old. Sir, I perceive that Christine, who is 22 years old, is the only one daughter with the 2 parents who belong to a peasant family in Meghalaya. They belong to a very poor family, but gradually Christine becomes a nun as well as a teacher in St. Joseph's School, which is a Christian school, and she immediately take responsibility of the family by offering financial help. So gradually they develop financially, and they bought many other resources for their need requirement. Thank you, sir.
So, gentlemen, I perceive from the picture that there are one male, 2 female character and one male. Female is the main lead of my story is Ria, who is around 20 years old. She is doing her bachelor's in agriculture, and after coming, she has gone to a science trip with her friends. And after coming from this science trip, she told her father and mother about the science trip and various ways of increasing the agriculture production, which and convinced his father to apply modern methods of agriculture, which after applying his her father crop production and thus whole season production increased and result in profit. Thank you.
Greeting,
Good
gentlemen.
evening,
The
gentlemen.
character. Yeah, sorry. Chest number 4. I thought it was. Continue.
Okay. Good evening, gentlemen. I perceive three characters from the story. My main character is a girl whose age is about 15-year-old, and she was living in a small village of Roorkee with her parents. Her father is about an age of 45, and her mother is an age of at 40. Her mother name is Ayat, and her father name is Adab. So she was a girl. She's so courageous about her studies. She's very minded girl, and she used to go for school. Her school is about 12 to 15 kilometer away from her house. But the main problem is that her mother wants her to marry with a boy who is 25 year old. 25 year old, just because the boy rich, so her mother forced her to marry that boy. But instead of this, the girl wants to study.
Next.
Because she was
Greeting, gentlemen. The characters are perceived from the story are 2 female characters and 1 male character, all in the age group between 22 to 40 years. The mood is positive. My story goes like this. Rita was pursuing her graduation in agriculture. One day on vacation, she visited her hometown to meet her parents, who were farmers. She used to help them in her task. On one day, she encountered that the farmers in the village are still following the traditional farming methods and thus were not getting enough yields. She decided to set up a meeting, and she initiated to educate the farmers about the new method of farming, such as the intercropping, where they can grow wheat plus legume and still retain the fertility of the soil. Well, within few months, the yield got massive of the farmers, and they all were grateful to Rita for her awareness. Thank you.
Good evening. I perceived three characters in the story, two female and one male character. The action of the story is Shalu's efforts to revive farming. So Shalu is a BSc agricultural student in the Krishi Vigyan Kendra in Kerala. So one day while she was visiting a site for her studies, she found that the farmers are thriving in the water scarcity which is faced by the lands, and it is affecting their cultivation also. So what Shalu did was, she went to her professors and other peers, and she searched for some new methodologies to revive the farming in that area. And she went to the village elders and the farmers, and she told them, like, forming a water reservoir to collect the water in the rainy season, it will be effective, and the dripping irrigation method is very effective to revive the farming also. So with their help, with the help of our professors and the peers, and with the help of villagers, she built a water reservoir for the area. And also she, with the help of the farming department, she also formed thank you.
So greeting gentlemen, from the picture what I perceive, there are three characters, all two are female and one is male, and all are in positive mood, and their age is in between 24 to 41. So my story goes like this. So Shelly is a BSc agriculture student. So on a summer vacation, she went to her village, and while she was roaming in the field, she saw that the crops growth is not up to the mark. So she examined the whole situation and found that there kind of problem in the soil. So she took the sample of the soil to the nearby laboratory and give it for a test. So when the result of test came, she found that there is a lack of nitrogen and phosphorus in the soil. So she immediately went to the nearby shop which is run by the government, and she buy all these things at a subsidized rate, and also put some manure into the field. And within a few months, she found that the growth of the crops increase, and she also aware about all the things to all the villager, so that all that get a good profit from their crops. So thank you.
Good evening, gentlemen. I perceive three characters from the picture shown to us. All are in neutral mode. Meera is currently in college and wishes to pursue her degree in agriculture and sciences in a city, in a good college in the city. Coming from a farming background, she is also concerned about how her family will manage in her absence. But after telling describing the situation to her family, their family insists that she should pursue education and give it the utmost priority. So she listens to them and goes and pursue agricultural sciences, wherein she learns new techniques and methods about agriculture, and helps in the farming and future enhances the productivity of the
Next.
Thank you.
In the picture shown, I perceived three characters, two females, one age between 25 to 35 years. So my story goes like this. Ashwin is a medical officer and was tasked with the inspection of a village regarding the COVID vaccine. So she came to a nearby village where Ram, along with his wife, do farming for living, and they were having a horse which he used to rent to people. So they were unaware about the vaccination, and also he had heard some rumors about the vaccines, that it is good or bad. So for convincing them, Ashwin used the X-rays of vaccinated lungs and unvaccinated lungs. Ram got clearance about the vaccination, and he immediately agreed for the vaccination drive and registered himself on the immediately registered for himself, and that's why that's all. Thank you.
So from the picture I perceive there are three characters, two is female and one is male. one female is around 35 years of age, other is 21 years of age, and male is around 40 years of age. So Ria is a BSc Agriculture student. He recently graduated from the college and go to his village to live with his father and mother during his vacation. But when he found that he had that his father that this time crops is not as much, they do not produce as much crops. So he heard about this and go to the field and analyze the soils and find out that the soils becomes barren due to much fertilizer. So next morning he started informing his father about the organic farming and also instruct many other farmers about it,
Gentlemen,
and also
gentlemen,
gives
chest
knowledge
number
about
10.
the
Just number 10, one
Miss-
second, guys. This meeting is going to about to over soon, within 30 seconds, 40 seconds, right? I'll send one new link. Meet in group, in both the one, that main group and PPTYR group, okay? So you guys
Okay,
join
sir.
from that particular link, okay? And we'll continue from the chest number 10 again, okay? Okay, guys,
Passport is
don't change your name.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is the passport, sir?
Password will let you know soon. Password won't be there, but
Okay, sir, okay.
if it is there, definitely I'll let you know, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Let me just put. Okay, chest number 10, you can continue.
Okay, so from the picture I perceive there are three characters, two are females and one is male. One female is around 40 years of age, other is around 21 years of age, and one male is around 40 years of age. So Ria is a BSc Agriculture student. She recently passed from the college and she was in her village with his family, with her family. So one day she get to know about this father talking that this time he unable to produce as much crops. So she go to the field and analyze the soil type. So he found that the soils become unfertile due to large use of fertilizers. So she uh, informed his father and others uh, farmers also about it, that fertilizers is making soils wastage, and inform them about the organic farming and also mixed cropping so that they can able to produce as much crops in a year. All the farmers started using these techniques, and in next year they are able to produce as much crops, and after that everything goes well. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. In the picture shown to me, I perceived three characters. The age of my character is around 23 years, and mood is positive, and he is helping sister for higher education. So Aman is a 23-year-old boy. So he had a younger sister, and who recently completed a class 12 with 95% board marks. And she was quite intelligent and got admission in a very nice college near to her city, but her parents were not allowing her because of financial reasons and also because of security reasons. So his sister went and talked to him about the problem. So he went and talked to the parents and discussed the matter. He told that he would be providing he would be searching for girls hostel in the city, and also he would visit his twice in a month. He will also direct some relatives to take care of her so that she does not feel away from home. And he would also spend some amount of money from his pocket money to help his sister. So his parents finally agreed, and sister was very happy. Thank you.
Hello, gentlemen. I perceive in this picture, I saw there are two female characters in this picture. Age between of 35 plus and 23 plus, and the other character is male character is the age of 35 plus. Radha is a college lecturer in the city because she lived in a small village of his hometown, and Radha is thinking about his mother because he is leaving home because his summer vacation is closed, and then she is going to college for a lecturer, and Radha is in a neutral mode, and his mother is a negative mode because she is thinking about his children as his mother, and Radha is thinking about his mother because she lived in alone is at home. And in this picture, male character is in the horse cart. He is waiting for Radha because he will pick he वो उसको पिक करेगा और वो उसको बस स्टैंड पे छोड़ के आएगा. And thank you, sir.
13.
Chest number 13. Who is 13?
No one is
13
13.
assign नहीं किया किसी को.
Sir,
14.
Can I proceed? Can I proceed, sir?
14 कौन है?
सर चेस्ट राधे सर
14. Chest number 14
Sir.
किसको दिया था?
Yeah, Jaiswal, sir.
हाँ तो जैसल please carry on.
Okay. The theme of my story is upgrading agriculture. I have perceived 3 characters in my story. Some of them are in positive mode and some of them are in neutral mode. They all are in the age between 18 to 30 group. The central character of my story is Karishma, who has just completed their graduation from BSc Agriculture. After completion his graduation from college, she came back to village. After coming back, she get to know that her agriculture income was too low, so she advised her family to upgrade some technology with the help of government subsidy, and she tested also their soils with the nearby laboratory. So with the help of some technology and upgradation, now their family's income has been increased. Now her family is stable now. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, gentlemen. In my story, there are more than 3 characters, 2 women and other are men. My main character is Mona Lisa, who is 27 years old and her mood is positive. Even the whole story environment is positive and neutral also. Mona Lisa is a traveler who came from different countries and wrote a book on farming of different countries. The scene is belong to the Uttarakhand village farming. Mona Lisa visit a village in Uttarakhand. She noticed that the farming way is quite different than rest countries. People of Uttarakhand use...
Chest number 15. Hold on. Show me your paper. Show me your paper.
Sir, by back camera.
नहीं, हाँ कैमरे के ऊपर उठाओ पेपर जो जिसमें आपने स्टोरी लिखी है. किधर है वो पेपर?
Okay, sir.
Show me your paper. Okay, पेपर फाड़ो और निकालो कॉपी से फाड़ दो इस पेपर को.
Just a second, sir.
फाड़ दो इस पेपर को 4-5 पीस कर दो. अगर आप किसी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से फाड़ते नहीं हो उसको तो क्रश करके पीछे फेंक दो.
Okay, sir.
ओके. नाउ नरेट ये बुक है ना, इसको पलट दो और नरेट करो अपनी स्टोरी को दोबारा स्टार्टिंग से. गो अहेड प्लीज.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, gentlemen. In my story, the main character is Mona Lisa, who is 27 years old and her mood is positive. He is a traveler who wrote a story or a book related to the farming of different countries. So the scene belongs to a Uttarakhand village farming. Mona Lisa noticed that the farming structure of Uttarakhand village is quite different. She noticed that they use a special technique to hold the water in the field. And she also noticed that the village women also support her husband in the farming. And she also noticed that thank you.
Good evening, gentlemen. As I perceived in this story, there were 3 characters. One is 2 female and 1 male. Main character of this story, main character is like age 24 to 26, neutral mode. Next, followed by 35 to 40, female, mode is neutral. The action of the story is a girl is helping peasants to get government schemes. Ria is a law student and as an NGO in the Tirupati village. One day she found that nearest to Tirchanur village, many farmers were not able to get government schemes and subsidy schemes, and the village also lacking of scarcity of water. And with the help of her friends, she went to the village. She went to the nearest peasants and collected the all the details. What are the they were lacking? What are the things they were facing problem from there?
In the picture shown, I perceived three characters. Two of them were women and one was male. Their age was ranging from 25 to 45, and all of them were in neutral mood. The main character of my story is Mary. Mary was a college student. After passing college, she applied for government job and she was being selected as an agriculture officer. After becoming agriculture officer, she was posted to a village. She inquired about the village. She went to farm and collected details about the type of crops sown in the village. After making the list, she applied for seed subsidy and other kind of subsidies from the central government. After getting these, she distributed the seeds among the farmers and also informed them about other government schemes. Soon, he also helped the farmers to apply for other subsidies or other educational that benefits for their students, for their children. Helping these, all farmers were soon their condition improved.
Next.
And thank you.
Just number 18.
Radhe might be.
Radhe, please carry on. Boli.
Gentlemen, according to the story, I perceive that there are three characters. One is male and two are female, and the age around 20 to 45 year old. My main character is Seema, who is 20 years old. She is a single child of her father, and her father is a farmer and mother is housewife. She has just completed 12th, so she had a dream to become a doctor, so she can completely change the economic condition of her family. She told her father about her dream that she wanted to become a doctor. So her father agreed, but her mother was not agreed. But when she and her father convinced about go to the city to take the coaching, so her mother also convinced. Then she went to the coaching of medical exam. She cracked the NEET exam and finally she became a doctor and completely changed the condition of her family. Thank you.
Gentlemen, the theme of my story is automation system in fields. I observed two female characters and one male character with age between 20 to 50, and my story goes like this. Surika is a final year engineering student, and she has got her major projects in home automation system. So her project was basically the project of her was drip irrigation system. After every semester end, she used to visit her grandmother, and her grandfather is basically a farmer, and as he was plowing the fields for sugarcane, and she observed there was so much of water was required for her. So so as she had done her project in drip irrigation system, her project costed around 2,000 to 3,000 only. So with the help of her friends, she gathered Arduino microcontroller and other basic systems, and along with the computer science engineering students, she also gathered the programming knowledge as well, and she implemented it there, so that the whole drip water irrigation system was applied there, and the sugarcane fields were more fruitful to her grandmother and grandfather, and her project was also application was successful. Thank you. As we observed in this,
gentlemen,
as we have observed.
Gentlemen,
I would like to gentlemen, majority of us have gone with pursuing her further education. So let's let that happen.
I think that
We should focus on agriculture, right?
First, the number of characters and mood.
We should focus on agriculture and her taking her responsibilities and family as well as
Most of our story revolves around agriculture and education.
our story revolves
So
around
they are
It
all
revolves
three characters are connected.
like agriculture as our main theme.
Okay, gentlemen, as most of the persons have said about the agriculture, we can go ahead with the agriculture. Just identify
We
the
can go
one.
with the agriculture
It can
department.
reveal the
Yes, we
lack
want to add something.
The movements of the agriculture.
There are some
Go with the
there are some
agriculture.
agriculture and
I think that the girl is carrying a book, so
Agriculture
she might be
and
educated girl. So she
overall
writes a book
agriculture
on her summer
I would
vacation.
like to add here.
And you can go with
Exactly.
agriculture.
I
The
guess most of
girl
our stories
that she
revolve
is
around
carrying a book.
education and agriculture.
Gentlemen,
The
Most of our
educated and she
stories
can
are around
add
education and agriculture. I think we
Teacher
should go
also.
It is
for
always
we should
dependent on
add,
the
we should add both agriculture and education.
the main character is a
You should go
BSc
Exactly, I
agriculture
agree.
student.
Majority.
Okay.
Majority of our
say
majority are
agriculture is
education and agriculture.
Majority knows that the girl is going to
Education and
Background
agriculture, and
BSc
just to add some ideas, we can
How
initially
many of you
move
get
forward
achieved
ideas
by
about
appointment
educational
of
activities which will help
agriculture only?
can also
doing more
include
useful
the
activities.
We should
Almost
go
all
for
people
agriculture and
are
education
about
both. We should
agriculture,
make
even
such a
agriculture
story which
also
involves
mentioned
both
in the
agriculture and
story.
education.
Next
We can do that.
major of the persons are agree.
So as our main theme is being discussed, we can
Proceed with the
proceed
next
towards
thing
the
as the
action.
major of the persons are agree here.
agriculture,
We
technology.
can go for both agriculture and education.
Let's decide our leading character.
We can also include
We can decide the girl as a main character. We can decide the girl as a main character.
Yeah, majority of us
I think
has said
we
about the
can go with
sample
the
of the
education and
Girl as an
agriculture part.
agriculture officer.
You can go with
In this
agriculture and
story,
Or what we can
As
do
the
is like
theme has been decided
include
about
we can
the
include
major
both
of the
education and
person are
agriculture.
agriculture.
all
Now we should
characters
arrive at the action of the story.
connected with the agriculture
his college
and
name
all
is
Let's keep
characters
our
are
action
known.
about
Decide that the girl is an officer.
harassments in the farm and how our family
Okay, so okay, fine. Since majority of us are focusing on agriculture, we can go for agriculture.
Okay,
Now just let
gentlemen,
us
please
add
hold on.
more and more
Please,
actions.
everyone,
All
please.
three characters are connected with
Gentlemen, 1 second.
agriculture.
Gentlemen, number 7.
Gentlemen,
one by one.
Everyone, please.
gentlemen,
Please hold on.
Gentlemen,
Okay, we
say
can
one
go
by
with
one.
agriculture since
One second.
Yes, yes,
Chess number
agriculture.
4.
chess
Okay,
number 10.
four.
We can raise
Chess
the
number
topic
10.
of soil, lack of
Chess
nutrient in
number
the
4.
Chess number 4.
Listen,
Chess number 7.
Listen, chess number 4,
Yes,
keep
chess
on
number
speaking,
listen.
yaar. You should listen now at least. I know you have to make a point, but you continuously not stopping. So, see, here 19 people are there approximately, right? See, हो सकता है कि net बीच में
Yes.
खत्म हो जाए, so we'll continue, right, in between if, you know, कुछ हो जाता है तो ठीक है, okay? So, we'll divide the group in, you know, how many 19 people are there, ना? तो, 1 से 6, 9 ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, ज़्यादा हो जाएगा। 10 9 में 10 बहुत हो जाएगा। 6 कर देंगे।
5
चलो 5 कर देते हैं, ठीक है? 2 मिनट का सेशन कर देंगे।
Yes, sir.
ओके, चेस नंबर 1 to 5 एक साथ डिस्कस
sir.
करेंगे, देन 5 to 10
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट, द 10 to 15 नेक्स्ट, एंड 15 to 19 नेक्स्ट. Okay, so chess number 1 to 5,
Yes.
you guys can start now. Please, you have 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Gentlemen,
Okay,
as we
as
have
we
agreed,
have
as
discussed
majority
that
of
we
us
can go ahead
Three-
with the education and
three
agriculture
characters,
ideas.
all are
agriculture
So we
part,
can
yes,
add
I agree with
I
chess
agree
number
with chess number
and
5.
we can agree that
Agriculture and
These are
education is
connected with
best
old
options.
technology to modern technology because of
Yes, we can
single
add the
flow
point of
process.
adding the
They are
technological
using
advancements in
grid-connected
betterment for the
technology
agriculture.
in the
Okay,
they
we
all
can
are
Yes, we
say
can
connected
add
with the
the
that she
agriculture.
the
All
was
practices
technological
modern
part.
graduation in
modern technology.
agriculture and she
Technological
improved
change in
the
this.
and
They
what
improve
is
the
that?
productivity through
Chess number 4
technology.
अपना mic on करो.
Using of
Chess number
technological
4, your mic is off.
advancement in this.
Yes, okay. So just to add some more point,
Ge-
we can use drone as a
Gentlemen,
technology
we can
which
add.
can
Please,
use to spray fertilizers in the
Please,
Okay,
not,
okay, okay.
in the
not only
agriculture.
fertilizer, but
Everybody is
using
using the
technology
same
in
concept.
agriculture,
Na?
we have
So why
agreed
we
on the
can
agriculture
come
part.
up with a
old
story that
practices
We
the
have
girl
to
wants
decide.
modern
the girls
technology.
don't
All
want to
of guys have
marry
We
because she
decided
wants
the
to be
We
a
best
can
way.
also
BSc
use the
Please
agriculture.
digital
conclude
soil
one.
wants to
health
pursue
part
her
She was
to determine the
education.
fertility
Her
of the soil.
mother and
graduated
father
in
wants her
Conclude
to
one.
marry
One.
to a guy who is 10 years older than him. We can add the
Gentlemen,
agriculture story as
we
she
have
wants
we have
to
agreed on
study for the
Please,
high
gentlemen,
classes,
we have
and she became an
chess number
agriculture
4
officer. In that, he can
please,
Gentlemen, we have agreed on the theme.
chess
Let's
number 4
proceed
we have
towards the
agreed on the
actions.
agriculture part. We should
can,
forward
okay.
the story of
gentlemen,
agriculture
all
part
Are
gentlemen,
and
we
we
are
being
agreed
logical if we can
on
add
that is
the
the all
Please don't
marriage
stick
point
to
of
your
practices,
view?
story.
modern technology. Technological change is the advancement development of the productivity.
There will be
Okay, okay. We can add
Yes,
the, we
yes,
can
we are
add your
saying-
point in the
Gentlemen,
end. If we can move our story
I
towards
think
that
we can.
our
Okay, shall we
Gentlemen,
finalize on the
okay,
action
sir.
part, like
Okay, sir.
using
Finalize.
drone?
Gentlemen, we can
Nobody, I
move with
think,
the story
chess
that
number,
a girl of an age of 15 wants to study for their higher
gentlemen,
studies,
we have
and after
agreed.
that,
Chess number 4. Oh, chess number 4. We have agreed on the agriculture part. Let's stick to
Yes,
that.
technological
I think we
changes
can.
more.
I think we can say that she was pursuing her graduation
Yes.
in agriculture, and after she came
Okay,
from the
she-
graduate, after she did graduation from the city, she came to her village. So that she applied the new scientific wave as mentioned by chess number 1 and
why
chess number
can't we
5.
add my story in that? Na, we can add that. Her
Gentlemen, we have
father
agreed.
wants to,
We have
father
agreed.
We
wants
should
to
We
go
have
with the
agreed
group
on agriculture
consensus.
part.
Chess
with
number
a
4.
marry with a boy who is
Gentlemen,
older,
not
10
only
years older than
manure,
him.
they
You
work,
can add your
work
story.
on the
Stick with
technological
my story.
advancement because
It's a
of all
point.
practices.
And what
She
about the
learned
other
from
two persons? One male and female.
Yeah,
What are they?
we can stick with the story, na.
Yeah, we can
But you
take
have to
them as a
understand.
farmers,
We can
and
we can add
in
your
which
content
the
that
girl also
the girls
educates them.
wants to improve the what मतलब अपने गांव का जो क्या कह सकते हैं आप, अपने गांव को भी सुधारना चाहती थी, प्लस अपने घर को
Agricultural
भी सुधारना चाहती थी,
Okay,
क्योंकि
yes,
उसके
yes.
जो
लेकिन how
Chess number
can
Gentlemen,
4,
we can
through
act.
technology
how
and
can change this is
agriculture
yeah,
this is based
advancement,
on
right.
she
technology.
Just
can
number 5,
improve
you
the
are
lifestyle
right
of the
that
farmers of that village.
yeah, technology will improve the life of the farmers, but if we can
And
add the
productivity
marriage
also
point,
change.
Okay,
This is
okay.
leads to
I'll
change
take
in
on
the
board.
economic
Chess
condition
number
of the
4, we
family.
agree.
okay.
Chess number 4.
So who is gonna
I think I'll add
elaborate
your
our story?
chess number 4. Let me complete.
Yes,
I
sir.
think I'll add your point. After she came from the graduation from the city,
Yeah.
applied. She uses her modern ways to enhance the agriculture and lifestyle of
practices
her
to
modern
yeah.
mothers.
Okay.
Are you fine now?
Yes.
Yeah, but why we cannot?
Yeah,
Why we
then-
can't add the
then we
Okay,
can-
okay.
marriage
So as the
partner?
action part
It's
has
good.
been concluded, gentlemen, so we can move toward the conclusion that the
Yes,
villagers were happy
Okay.
about the ideas given by our main characters, and thus they were
Yes.
grateful.
Yes. I think
I can
we all
start.
can agree with chess number 5.
Yes.
Yes, and the productivity of crops increased by
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
exponentially.
Okay.
Chess number
Okay.
3,
The
I
profitability
want
also
to
increased.
discuss
Would you
the
please
whole story.
would you please add my marriage part in the story, please? I want to ask everybody.
Gentlemen,
It's a
the
point.
marriage
It's a
part
chess
point.
number
We
is
can
4
also add
not logical in the story.
Chess number 4.
From what I
As
perceive.
it's not clearly seen in the
everybody's thinking
picture that
on a
We have
same
limited
basis, na.
time, so
I am
let's
adding
conclude.
your
I think
story.
we have
I think
limited
let's
I
time.
nominate
conclude
chess
with
number
this.
3 to conclude.
Please check number 5. Conclude this conclusion. Give conclusion on the basis of the technological advancement
Gentlemen,
from old practices to
gentlemen,
modern
please.
practices.
Group 1, please hold on. Okay, now
Okay, sir.
group
Okay.
2, please
Okay,
start
sir.
from where they left.
So,
Gentlemen,
so friends,
we
majority of us
can
has
Okay,
written about the
gentlemen,
agricultural thing.
our
Our
village
story
on
is
one is
around
made.
it.
We can go with the like
As it is a
Yeah,
native to a
yeah.
of us
farming
have
background, and
perceived
we have a
that the
great
farmland
soil.
as majority
looks very
as
barren.
the shell of our story has been described by the group earlier to us, we can keep our story around the pursuing education part
Yeah,
only, and let's add
BSc
add a bit
agriculture
more of
student.
ways in which he can develop the farming. Let's add HIV seeds, let's add drip irrigation, let's add more techniques in
Yeah,
which
yeah,
she
we
is
can
pursuing
add
her
that.
agriculture
We can add that.
sciences course. We can
We can
make
add
it more deeper.
I think that it's a time taking
We can add
process. There is the issue of
details to the story
the soil.
that has
She
been
raised the
already
issue of
shared.
soil,
A shell has
that
been
there is a
conducted by
lack of
the
nutrients in
group
the
earlier to
soil.
us.
So she immediately took that sample of the soil to the nearby.
We should go for pursue for the farming part.
Yeah.
We should
have
pursue
said
for
so farming part. He has said.
Yes,
Okay,
she can raise the
story,
issue
right?
of lack of
It
the
is a
nutrients in the
agriculture
soil.
related story.
Okay.
Okay, so girl is the main
So
character
she
of
took
our
a
story,
sample
and
of the
she
soil
tells
to the
about the
laboratory
farmers about the
and
modern
tested
technology,
and she
how to
found
improve
that
the
there is a
crop
lack of
production.
nutrient in the
Yeah,
soil.
that's what we we can
Yeah,
also
that's what,
adding
like we
also
can
adding to we can also include chess number 7's point that she took samples of her soil to the laboratory and tested them out and
By that,
and further
And girls also tell about the
use the
organic
techniques to
we are
benefit the farm.
gentlemen, basically we are adopting that the agriculture is facing some problem and we are testing the soil and everything. Those are the actions, right? We are testing the soil.
she buys all
and
the nutrient like nitrogen
and guys,
phosphorus from the
girls also
government
tells
shop
about
at
the
a subsidized
modern
rate.
farming method like mixed cropping and organic farming. This also increase the crop production.
Yes.
Shall we add it?
Okay. So she comes to the village that the land is barren, the villagers are facing very difficulty in farming.
The group
So
of
she
crops are
took
not up to the mark. Find that there is
Yeah,
a
problems
some
in
kind of
crop
problem in the
production
soil.
and they do not able to produce as much crops. So
Yes.
so she sent
Okay,
some
okay.
soil
Then she
samples
took the
to
sand
analyze it
to
and
the
find it
farmland.
that
Then she
And
found
at the
what
end,
are the
she also
deficiencies
aware
the
all
land
the
is
villagers
facing.
about that,
And
and all the
Yes,
villagers
yes,
take the
okay,
sample
okay.
and check their soil.
So test
yeah,
number 7
and
has
Should we
defined
continue?
criteria,
then
so I
she
would like
came to know
nominate
that
you
it is
for
a
the
it is
first
unfertile, it become unfertile due to excessive use of fertilizer. So she told
You added
Test
manure,
all
number
the
no?
farmers
No,
to
we,
organic
You also added
farming.
manure in that.
test number 10
Limited
yeah,
defined
yeah.
use
your
of all
soil
these chemical and also
story.
manure.
Yeah, yeah.
So
So
test
she
number
tells what the farmer is
Okay,
organic farming.
gentlemen,
She
gentlemen,
can
everyone,
take
production.
the
everyone,
We can
please.
add
Hello,
can we
can
add
you hear
this?
me? Everyone, please
Yes,
hold
sir.
on. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
that second group is over till chest number 10. So do one thing from chest number 1 to chest number 2. Turn off your camera. Okay. Now from chest number 11 to chest number 19. Who all are left? Chest number 1 to 10 सब कैमरा बंद कर दो अपना. Okay, now so chest number 1 कैमरा ऑफ करो अपना. हमारे पास कौन बचा है? राधे. Okay, chest number 15, 16, 14, 11, 17, 18 कहाँ गया भाई? दिव्यांशु.
18 is
18 नहीं
not.
था
अच्छा 18 है, कोई नहीं है? 18 ने भी बंद कर दिया कैमरा अपना.
नहीं सर 18 कोई नहीं है सर
18
Chest number 1, sir.
राधे
राधे हो. अच्छा राधे 18 है ना. चेस्ट नंबर 1 कैमरा बंद करो अपना. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. माइक ऑन करके बोलो. माइक ऑन करो राधे. नीचे कैमरे का साइन होगा वो
वीडियो
बंद करो.
सर कैमरे का साइन नहीं आ रहा है, वीडियो स्टॉप हो रहा है सर पूरा ही. स्टॉप वीडियो कर दो.
तो मीटिंग छोड़ के आप ज्वाइन कर लो एक बार. कैमरा बंद कर देना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. चलो
ओके सर.
ठीक है. इतने लोग बचे हैं ना अभी?
Yes, sir.
3 3 6
Yes,
7
sir.
8. तब भी एक कम है इसमें यार 19 के साथ. अच्छा चलो ठीक है. ओके उसके आप सोचो ना. Okay guys, you have 2 minutes. Now start your discussion, please.
And
I think from the last group, everyone was given about everyone was given the problem of the last group. So I think we should focus on the solution.
farming
And
is
as
shift
he
that,
also wrote a book on
and there is
agriculture.
a lady, they were
That's why
ready,
she is one
and
part.
she is came from the department
We can also
and doing a
add
survey.
Friends,
From
I guess
there,
we should
they all
include both.
And you
We should
should,
both include both
we should,
education and agriculture. So our
Gentlemen,
main
we-
character
we
she
have-
goes
we
to
all-
college
we all
and
are
pursues
PhD.
BSc
We can add
agriculture.
some main topics like for agriculture. First
She
topic,
goes
second is
there
drone
and she
management.
goes there
And
and
third is
studies in a
Came back to village.
what is uses of drone.
What
We all are having
So she go-
And we can add the topic of drone
we
spraying.
can add that thing later.
Drone
Just
spraying,
want
okay.
you to include
This is agriculture is compulsory, and second is a drone.
we
Okay,
can add
drone.
that. We can add everything. We can add
Drone is
even
agriculture.
helping.
And she is
How
came
did
from
you
We'll
drone
add
farming and doing a survey.
that. We can just say that she goes and studies there.
Drone
Goes
survey,
and
you can say the
pursues
time
agriculture.
of the
We must go on to next part.
main work.
Next part should be
We can,
we
okay, let's talk about
You can add the
agriculture. She
drone
does survey
agriculture.
of the
You-
soil.
I think
She
Yeah,
does
the
survey
soil,
of the
drone
soil. She
agriculture.
goes for
Drone,
labs to test the
drone.
alkalinity of the soil.
We can also add that after
Okay, we
surveying
have some
Yes,
main
she
topics.
goes for
First is agriculture.
farming. Yeah.
Second
There are
is a drone survey in
in the
agriculture land.
agriculture.
Test number 11, I
You
can
have a 3 main
that
topics.
we can also add
Okay.
this
she
point.
can like
First
We
is
can go
agriculture
for
and second is
various
drone.
irrigation
Gentlemen,
techniques.
what why
Like
what
the
I
other
have
groups did not
observed
discuss about
Drone survey.
irrigation.
We all are
from
having
our
For
discussion
irrigation.
till now,
Step की is खेती करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं.
Agriculture.
add the
Collecting
as
the
the
sample of the
alkalinity
Came from
soil
drone department and doing a survey.
is also saying the
Helping her
agriculture
parents.
part. And what I would like to add here is from my story is of drip irrigation. So we must add this drip
Yeah, we
irrigation
can,
to it.
we can add
As
this point.
You can
Absolutely,
add
we
the
can
drone
add
survey.
some
Chess number 19 has a good
Let
idea.
me complete.
Technology.
To add on a point.
And modern technology came from a
Health card.
you can add the drone technology from
Government subsidy.
we don't need to
Till now,
drone survey.
Agriculture.
You must add the drone survey.
what we
Organic
must
farming
conclude is that she went to
Friends,
the
the other group
soil
did not.
test.
We can also
She
we
got
can
the
also
soil
add this
test done.
point.
And she also added the drip irrigation.
Listen.
And
We can also say that.
Include the main topics. Include the main topics. First
She had a talk with the village panchayat. We can also say that she had a talk with village panchayat because no one added this thing. And add this, she had a talk with the village panchayat and
Okay, gentlemen, please, everyone stop it.
went from meeting.
Everyone Just oh, everyone. Okay, I'm audible.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, everyone, please turn on your camera. जो बाकी लोग थे. Now discussion is over. Okay, we are running out of time. Your internet connection is unstable too. I'm getting the notification. Hello, I'm audible.
Yes,
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Okay, सब लोग अपने कैमरे ऑन कर लो फटाफट. Everyone, do it fast. Everyone. Test number 1, 3, 2. सब कैमरे ऑन करो. Guys, I'm audible.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can't see your faces, yaar. 1 second, let me switch to another Wi-Fi. 1 second. Now, guys, I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Why can't see you guys? I don't know. My faces are visible. Cameras सब क्यों आने वैसे इधर से? हाँ, okay. Now it's coming slowly. Okay, chest number 14 is visible. Okay, guys, ये meeting में मेरे ख्याल से end हो जाएगी 5 मिनट में. Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
So
sir.
you want me to create a new link or what? What do you say?
Sir,
You can
create
continue
a
till
new
5
link,
minutes,
sir.
sir.
No, sir, it's okay.
You can continue till 5 minutes, and then
No,
After that,
I believe we can.
create a new
I
link.
believe we can create
Sir,
a new link and discuss
I
over there
think,
without any breaks.
sir, I think if conclusion हो जाता है तो then we can.
Okay, guys. Now,
Sir, आप best conclusion.
okay, fine, guys. Now you have a,
Sir, can you suggest a conclusion for that?
Okay, just start discussion right now and let me know who will be the leader. Okay, do it. Everyone, start now.
So,
Okay, gentlemen, as many of us
we have
said,
seen that there are
Gentlemen, as per
now
the story,
Gentlemen, we
three
all
member are
many are
We can conclude the story in a few topics like agricultural land, town survey and agricultural land, economic survey.
agriculture to modern
Guys,
types of
please,
agriculture.
Hello, we can handle one same topics. Using modern technology. First is agriculture and town survey.
Gentlemen, it is not audible for everyone.
And modern technology. You can use backend technology.
it is not audible for all.
Guys, we all are
Gentlemen, we can speak one by one.
It is getting locked. It is getting locked in between, gentlemen. Please not audible with single.
And she is asking from the farmers
One is going to
how to
understand
farming.
anything.
Finance
You
related
can also add the
One is
farming
going to
facilities.
understand anything. What are
I think
are you
all
saying?
of us
you.
has
Which
said
suggests
the story.
for our
Hello,
farmers,
gentlemen,
we
I
can
think
just have to
consider
nominate
all
someone.
characters are related
I
to
think
agriculture
we
and
They don't
all we have
refer to modern technology.
all practices
Yes,
of
as per chest number
agriculture,
1, as we have
modern
all
agriculture,
have the
all
story
connected to
revolving
all
around the
practices of
agriculture
manual
activities
Gentlemen,
and
we
the
all have
action
just
and
connect one
towards
reader.
the advancement
finance
and also irrigation
related
facilities. So we can
times
go ahead
in
with
new
that.
times, modern times, final
Gentlemen, I
financial
nominate Chess number
assistance.
5 as our leader, as we have almost formed a story out of
Gentlemen,
the story itself.
Guys,
Bro,
we
we
have
have some
already
We
discussed
can
about
also
all
go
are
with the
related.
technological advancement and
First
also
point is
the
agriculture,
irrigation
second is
facilities.
agricultural land,
Technology
should
town
go
survey.
by agriculture and education.
You can do on town survey in modern
Financial
technology.
help with
Okay, gentlemen, now tell me who will
Technology.
narrate your story. Who is your leader? Who is your group leader?
The chest number 7.
Chest number 7, I will nominate.
let's go with chest number 7.
chest number.
All are agree with chest number 7?
Chest number 3.
Chest number 3. Who's that? Chest number 3.
I mean, chest number 7.
Okay, you chest number
Okay,
7.
chest number 7.
Who's chest? Okay, chest number 3. Just beat. Okay. Okay, 7 and 3, right? All are agree with chest number 7?
Chest number 3, sir.
No, sir.
Chest number
Actually, we
3, sir.
haven't.
Chest number 3, sir.
I
3.
believe
Story properly. So we
Chest number 3.
we are not
I believe
able to
majority of
want
us
to
are
anyone,
going
sir.
with chest number 7, so let's keep it that way.
Yes. If everyone is going, it is okay. But
Yeah.
exact story we
Yes,
also
sir.
don't know,
I
right?
think majority.
But
I think
the
majority of
discussion
our-
is completed. All
Okay,
can do is nominate
okay,
leader
okay,
now.
guys.
So
Okay,
let's go
gentlemen.
with set number 7.
Okay, please, 1 second. Okay, so chest number 3, you narrate the story of whole group.
Yes, sir.
Please proceed.
Okay, sir. So, gentlemen, as all of us have concluded that Ria, who was doing her bachelor's in agriculture in a good college in city, came to her village and see the condition of farmers and her village, and she improved her villages and the agriculture life by using scientific ways, as by checking the soil samples and by using the government subsidies to and using government subsidies to buy the drip irrigation
Fertilizer.
system and drip
Okay,
irrigation
chess number
system
3.
and
I got your story. Now chess number 7, please proceed.
Yes, sir. So Shally is a BSc agriculture student. On a summer vacation, she went to her village, and while roaming on the field, she found that the growth of the crop are not up to the mark. So, analyzing the situation, she took the sample of the soil to the nearby laboratory, and after the test, she found that there are lack of potassium and nitrogen in the soil. So she immediately buy this substance from the nearby shops, which are approved by the government at a subsidized rate, and put it into the soil, and also add the manure, and she use in a limited amount all these chemicals so that it will not harm the soils. And then after, she also aware all the villagers about this to check their soil from the laboratory, and at the end all the villagers are happy.
Okay, so it's done.
Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
are
sir.
agree with him. Chess number 7. Chess number के साथ सब लोग
Yes.
agree हैं? Anyone else?
Yes, sir.
ऐसा कोई जो
Yes,
agree
no,
नहीं है?
sir. Agree, sir.
Chess number 4.
Sir, I have a point.
Who's that? 9.
Sir, chess number 3.
3. हाँ बोल जसवीर.
Sir, majority of people have said that she was doing studies and agriculture simultaneously. So there was no mentioning of the other participants who said about studies.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am want to add this.
Okay, 1 second. Let me show you a picture again. See, observe picture clearly. तुम लोग स्टोरी बोल रहे हो बट ये नहीं बोल रहे उनका मूड क्या है. कोई मूड बोल रहा है, कोई नहीं बोल रहा है, कोई एज भी नहीं बोल रहा है एग्जैक्टली, ना मेल भी नहीं बोल रहा है, फीमेल भी नहीं बोल रहा है. You'll see, na, good morning, gentlemen. What I perceive in this picture is a 3 character. 2 female is 1 male. Sorry, 2 female and 1 male of age approximately so and so. You guys are missing that thing all the time.
Sir,
that is your observation, right? Then you're not mentioning mood, whether it's positive, neutral. I don't think so. Anyone have the neutral mood over there? I'm sorry, positive mood. Let me show you a picture once.
Sir, I have mentioned neutral only.
Okay,
I
okay.
mentioned neutral mode.
Okay, I'm talking about the maturity.
Sir, I mentioned the negative mode.
I'm not saying.
Sir, I mentioned positive mode and neutral mode.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. No? 1 second, where is the picture?
Less than 1 minute.